Everybody who starts a new business is 100% committed to his or her success. And in spite of that, I'm sure you noticed that most of the startups find it difficult to succeed. The failure rate in startups is very high in spite of total commitment of the founders and co-founders. Have you wondered why? The main reason is lack of proper knowledge and lack of guidance. Keeping this in mind, myself and 3 of my colleagues have decided to come up with a program called SkyRocket, Your Startup. This program has been designed to help you learn right from idea validation to customer acquisition and everything in between. And this program is done by 4 people. One of my colleagues by name Dr. Shoma Ghosh. She is an expert in mindset counseling. She is called the Startup Mindset Counselor, and she will share how to overcome fears, how to overcome frustration, how to have the right mindset, etc. Another of my colleague is a design consultant. His name is Saurabh Saini. He is from Delhi and he services as well as user experiences. The third person, Akshay Shinde, he is coming all the way from Pune only for this program, and he is India's leading IoT trainer. He talks about the best technologies and also how to skill your people. And last but not the least, myself, my name is Yatiraj Agarwal, and I am known as India's first sales and profit engineer. I specialize in helping startups as well as established businesses to increase their sales and improve their profit. So all of us, we are coming together and we are doing this program on 30th June called SkyRocket, Your Startup. Now if you are in Delhi, you are very lucky because you can come in person. And if you are anywhere in the world, anywhere in India, anywhere in the world, you can still attend online because we will be doing a live streaming and it will be totally interactive. So you can ask questions, you can find out whatever. And if you are in Delhi, not only you are invited and it's complimentary, but we will also do our level best to offer you lunch, tea, snacks, etc. So don't miss the opportunity. If you are interested, send us a message at the number given below and we'll come back to you with more details. Right now, just note down the date, 30th June, Sunday, 10:29 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Have a great day.